Hi there! What have we been up to at Tumult Labs in the past few months? Let me give you a sneak peek. At Tumult Labs, we specialize in helping organizations share or publish insights from super sensitive data using differential privacy. We build a best-in-class platform for differential privacy and apply it to solve real-world problems at institutions like the US Census Bureau, the IRS, or Wikimedia Foundation. We found that in the process towards deployment, there's a challenge that shows up over and over again, and that challenge is understanding and optimizing privacy utility trade-offs. Typically, when you build a data product, you want to get the best possible trade-off between privacy and utility. To optimize both, you need to tune parameters to make optimal choices, and you want to do this, of course, in an explainable, quantifiable way. Here's how this step typically works today. You run your algorithm many times, manually with a bunch of different parameters, you get a ton of outputs, and then you write some code to compare it to some baseline that you also computed manually. You get a big table and you explore it again. Everything is like manual and error prone and difficult. This is kind of a pain. What if there was a better way? Something more visual and interactive. Something where adding a new matrix is as easy as adding a single line of code. Enter Tumult Tune, a new product that makes this step easy for you. Here's how it works. First, you parameterize your Tumult Analytics program. Second, you select from a library of metrics that capture your utility goals. And that's it. Once you have that, you can easily evaluate the utility of your program on various parameter combinations. Tumult Tune will automatically figure out the baseline, save the results, and optimize performance across runs. After running a bunch of trials, you can explore the results using something like this. Each point in this visualization, in this Jupyter notebook, corresponds to one run. On the left, we have both of our parameters, the epsilon privacy parameter and output thresholds, a performance parameter, hyperparameter. This one does not impact privacy guarantees. And on the right, we've got three performance metric. Say we want a median relative error below 10%, and maybe a spurious rate also below 10%. And we'd like to publish as many rows as possible, so let's zoom in on a little part here where there's still results. And say that we would also like the privacy budget to be below 3 if possible. So here. There, it seems like, for example, here we have a good candidate. With epsilon equal 2.5 and the output threshold of 40, we get a median relative error below 10%, a spurious rate below 2%, and count of published row of 57. This is a very small data set that I'm running this demo on. So here, what you might want to do when you have this is zoom in closer to around this parameter combination, maybe request more trials to quantify the inherent randomness and make decisions that you can be confident about what's the best way, what's going to be the best parameter combination that's going to work for your deployments. Moving back, this kind of built-in visualization is convenient for exploratory data analysis, of course, but you might want to do more. And to make that step easy for you as well, we built a feature that allows you to export the results to Excel or other common data analysis tools, so you can dive directly into data in a way that works best for you. So here, for example, we build a little visualization in Excel here or in Google Slides that visualizes the impact of an output threshold parameter on median relative error for different values of epsilon. This is just a sneak peek, so I didn't demo the more advanced features that we're also building into Tumult Tune. Quickly, there's things like Tumult Tune will automatically compute a baseline for your program, but if you need to, you can also arbitrarily customize its behavior. You can also add your own metrics if the ones that are built in are not enough for your use case. Metrics don't need to be single numbers. You can also use drill down metrics to easily understand how utility varies across the output space, for example, depending on geography or demographics. And finally, Tumult Tune can save the outputs to a local workspace so you can recover from crashes and build richer error reports iteratively. If that sounds interesting, drop us a line. To get on the preview list, you can go to our website, tumult.io, and click request a demo here, or you can just email us at info@tumult.io. Cheers and have a wonderful day.